Hello, I'm Evelina. I'm part of the Studio Jan team. I'm architect and mostly interior designer of the group. So now I will present you Kaujan, which is our other member.
Hello, my name is Kaujan and I'm a structural engineer of the group.
And this is Victor. He's coming.
Hello. I'm an architect and I'm a 3D designer of the group.
So our project is about the cardboard furniture, as you can see, complete design, and we would like a special brand for baby rooms so people can change easily the furniture of their houses, offices and everything. The other thing we want to do is to make a special subscription for every customer so he can change his furniture every few months or just a part of it. And the third thing we would like to do is a special app made for us. So every customer could put in it his measures of the space he owns and special photos, so we can create his personal cardboard interior design.
You can use our furniture everywhere, just be careful with the snow.
We are Studio Jan. For more information, just click on studiojan.com.
Thank you.
Bye bye.
Bye.